What's up guys, and welcome back to my channel. For today's look, I decided to do something for the fall, appropriate for the fall. So I've decided to go ahead and use this palette by MilanRowe. Is the Eyeconic palette. So it has a variety of like these browns, neutrals, earthy tones. Then you have over here a little bit of pop of color. You have some greens, some raspberry shades, some peach colors. Very beautiful palette. I also did receive from them a few of their liquid lipsticks. So I have like these nude colors, like this pretty burnt orange shade, some purples, and also some red and this like brown shade. Very pretty. Yeah, so if you guys are interested in recreating this look, then go ahead and keep on watching. So I did want to start off a little bit different, and I wanted to start using like first my shadow and then do my brows. So I'm just going to carve them off. So usually I like to do my brows first and then start doing my shadow, but kind of want to like try something different and do my base first, my shadow, and then do my brows last. So we'll see how that goes. I know this looks like a lot, but just trust the process. So I'm just gonna go ahead and pat the product on, leaving it a little bit tacky, so that way all the shadows stick. So I did get this palette from MilanRowe, and look how beautiful. It's like, it just screams fall. So I want to go ahead and do something warm and earthy. I don't know, it's kind of like in those vibes, I guess, if you want to say. So I do want to go ahead and pick up, I guess, like the darkest shades, like burgundy, called Faded. So I'm going to just start packing that on the outer corner of my eye. Like that. I did pick up Vanity just to kind of like blend that out and smoke it out a little bit. Just gonna take Runway and kind of just go over the top of it very lightly. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and cut my crease using the Beautybyeee base. Alright, so for my crease I'm going to be using, I think I'm going to go in with this color. It's called Poison. It's like this really bright gold color. Oh my god, that is just so annoying. I honestly don't know what's going on outside, but it's like really irritating me right now. So then I'm going to go ahead and take the Kat Von D Ultra Ink Liner. kind of going over it just to make it, you know, as sharp as possible. Alright guys, so I'm gonna go ahead, wipe this off, go ahead and work on my other eye, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I'm back. I'm going to go ahead and work on these brows. They're looking iffy. So what I like to do is I like to brush them up first and kind of see where I'm missing, you know, where I need to fill them in. So I'm using the Precisely My Brow. I think this is in the shade 4. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and lightly fill them in. Very lightly. Go ahead and do this side. I'm going to take Anastasia Clear Brow Gel just to kind of like set everything in place. So let's go ahead and finish off the look, and let's do the bottom lash. Just taking that burgundy shade. I'll blend that out with that runway shade. Also gonna go in with the Kat Von D black eyeliner. So I also received like these lip colors from them as well. Look how gorgeous they are. So I'm debating between which one to use for this look. So we have, this is the first shade. It's called Love Struck. So then we have Chaos, just like a chocolate brown. We also have Fetish, which is this like burnt orange shade. Then we have Boy Toy, which is like this nude color, more on the warm side, which is this one right here. We also have Drama Queen, which is this bright red color. So it's this one right here. Then we have Sugar Daddy, which is like this purple shade. So it's this one right here. Very pretty. But I think for this look, I'm gonna go ahead and use the nude color. So I'm gonna go in with Boy Toy. And I'm going to use, I think this is BFF4. Yeah, BFF4 from ColourPop and Shade Collab. Last but not least, lashes, guys. So for lashes today, I'm going to be using these by Lash Kitty, and these are in the style Glam On. So there are these right here. Alright guys, that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this look using MilanRowe Eyeconic palette. If you guys haven't already done so, make sure to go ahead and subscribe, turn on that little bell to to be notified every time I upload a new video. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.